Hi to my future employer. My name is Angelita Maximino Udal, a 37 years old, married and blessed with 3 daughters, aged 19 years old, 18 years old, and 12 years old. I have a lot experience abroad. Since 2015 until 2018, I am working in Doha, Qatar. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of kids aged 10 years old, 8 years old, 7 years old, and 5 years old, and 1 newborn baby. At the same time, I do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and cooking. In 2019 to 2021, I'm working in Hong Kong, finished contract with one employer, taking care of 1 kids, aged 5 years old, do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and marketing. My next employer is 2021 until 2023. I'm working with one member of the family, only my madam. She is a young lady businesswoman. And now I'm currently working in Saudi Arabia and plan to go back home this coming September 28th. My duty and responsibilities here is taking care of 3 kids, cooking, ironing, cleaning, and 2 stories building. I am an honest person, happy, independent, hardworking, and generous, respectful. I love your kids as my own. I'm taking care of them and I can help them, especially their assignment from school, or I can teach them a good manners and a proper hygiene. And I'm so excited to looking forward to work with you, my new employer. Hope you chosen me. I'm with heart and joy. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice day. Bye.